1. First open the brake line and fixing rod. 2. Take out the front wheel. Remove the nuts and washers on both sides of the front wheel. 3. Install the front wheel. 4. Install the washers and the basket support bracket, and tighten the nuts. 5. Remove the top screw, nut, and washer. 6. Install the front wheel fender and tighten the screws. 7. Use a tool to loosen the handlebar screws. Insert the head tube, adjust it, and then tighten the screws again. 8. Adjust and straighten the handlebars, then tighten the handlebar screws again. 8. Adjust the brake cable. 9. Use a tool to tighten and secure the brake cable. 9. Adjust the handlebars. Align with the handlebar scale line. After aligning the scale lines, use a tool to tighten. 10. Find the basket clasp and open the basket. Use the screw accessories to secure the basket. 11. Remove the rear wheel screws. 12. Install the rear wheel fender support bracket. 13. Install the rear wheel rack and tighten the screws. 12. Adjust the seat and tighten the seat post clamp. 13. Install and secure the R&L paddles. Installation completed.